Hello! Hi, Bella. How are you? What?
Yo, what is up, guys? We are back here with our first official car vlog. Now, I wanted the first one to be like an overlook of the car itself, but there's still one more part that I'm waiting for this to be a legit car reveal, other than I already did a car reveal. Loud ass school bus. But as you see here, we have Aquila in my car. Man, it feels really good getting back into this, but it feels kind of weird at the same time. I don't know how to explain it. But look at, she beautiful. But from the beginning clips, as you can see, she a dirty girl. She nasty. Look at this. Look how gross. That's all salt inside the airbox. Salt. There's all over here. And don't even get me started on the top. Oh man, that looks bad. Inside of her, she has some dirty mats, little water bottles back there, bag. Like, before I continue this vlog, I want to clean Aquila a little bit. So I'll be right back after I get engine bay clean and interior, and we're all good because I already washed her yesterday. All right, let's send it. All done cleaning. Engine bay clean. Interior game. We are spotless. We have the winter mats in there too. Usually not in there, but for winter, that's what it's for. Alright, so there's a couple things I wanted to talk about. I am trying so hard to get back on my YouTube game. It's not the easiest right now because, well, if you guys didn't see my last video, I had an injury. And it's not really easy to work on cars at the moment. Not the easiest thing, but I want to do it because I love it and I want to keep on putting out content for you guys. It's like, of course, the moment that I decide to come back to YouTube, I get hole punched. But yeah, so Aquila is clean, engine bay is clean, interior is clean, and my body is clean because I did that yesterday, like I said. Man, I hate dragging on videos. I don't know what to talk about. Like, I know what to talk about, but I'm speechless because I'm excited. So I would say this past month that I've been coming back to YouTube, I have been in contact with a bunch of people, other YouTubers basically, and companies. I'm in contact with somebody who is helping me with my advertising, and we're just overall getting back at this YouTube game, right? Look how good she is. Look how clean. Girl, you sexy as fuck. Oh my god. Ah. Wow. Beautiful. All right, hold on. I gotta put you guys up on the tripod real quick. Alright, so like I said before, I've been getting in contact with other YouTubers and companies and just overall, you know, car enthusiast people. One person I've become pretty good friends with over the past month, his name is Jacob Doty. He puts out amazing full detailed installation videos. He has a 5.0 Coyote, it's all black, it's murdered out, it looks insane. He just got it bagged. So if you guys are into that kind of stuff, go check out his channel. Let me know what you think of it. Link in the description. I feel like I'm being so loud because it's all open right here, and I live in a very secluded community. I'm doing a full installation video pretty soon with another company that I am working with that Jacob Doty is actually friends with. I will be announcing that whenever, you know, everything gets, you know, here, I guess. No rush. I would consider myself pretty decent friends with Doty as of right now. Like, I want to do full collaborations with the dude. He lives in California, and I want to take, you know, a vacation out there at some point and possibly go see him. And just overall, just, you know, he helps me out with, you know, inspiring me to make videos and to continue going even though I'm injured at the moment. This is his brand, Doty. And this is all I wanted, right? And he decided to not only ship me that, but he also sent me a black one, so I can have one on each side of my car. And then, you know, that was an extremely nice gesture. Thank you, Dodie. I appreciate it a lot, man. These are gonna go on the car in this video. But what really threw it off was that he sent a note with it. All right, but the reason why I'm making a video especially about this, it was an insanely nice gesture that he sent me a second sticker so I can have it on both sides of my car and I can, you know, really represent him and what he's doing. But he sent a letter with it, a little sticky note. Just this little guy, right? Now, if you guys have been subscribing to me for a while and you watch my older videos, you know that stuff like this never happens. I know it's just a letter, but I don't really ever get anything like this. I'm kind of just like a by myself type of person. But like when I read it, it hit me. I'm all like, oh my god, like I actually have like a really nice friend in this community and he really wants me to succeed and he wants to help me. And that's hard to come by. But I don't ever really get any handwritten letters, and especially from like another YouTuber who's on like the same point as me, him being like way above me. Much credit to him. I love all his videos and I appreciate that, you know, he talks to me and helps me and stuff. Once again, Jacob, thank you so much for the second sticker and the note. It really made my day. Go ahead and put these on the car. Remember guys, Jacob Dodie's link is in the description. Please go down there, subscribe, watch his latest videos, go watch him bag his car because it looks sick as fuck. So a little fun fact, this is the best cleaner for like clean something off and like, you know, putting like a sticker on it or a window cleaner. This is homemade. It is the best thing I've ever used. Other than chemical guys, but they're really expensive. So we'll go ahead and put it on here. I was about to put the white one on there. Then we get a full installation video for Jacob Dodie stickers. 10 million views, please. Alright, here we go. Hopefully I don't fuck this up. Alright, now turn it back. Alright, does that look level? I don't know. I'm so scared. Alright, and a little trick that I know is if you take your debit card and then show the camera, you can actually just use this. Just do that. It doesn't scratch your paint, doesn't scratch your wrap. It gets all those little creases that your fingers just won't get. I'm doing like a legit sticker installation. You're welcome, Jacob. That sounded like a race car, but it was a UPS truck. Bruh, whose Resignator are you running? Damn, that looks lit. Okay. Alright, that's actually really sick. Damn, look at that. We're gonna do the other side now. Alright, so I might have a little problem. I have my Mustang decal that runs all the way down. And I want the sticker to go right there. And it's gonna be lopsided if I don't take it off. Oh my god. Sticker installer is supposed to be the easiest thing ever, and I managed to make this hard. Alright, I know you can't see me, I apologize. It's about like a half hour now. I really didn't know what to do about this logo. I tried taking it off, but I ended up making it look worse and I can't get it off. So what we're going to do is we're going to put the Dodie sticker right on top of the Mustang logo, just so it's symmetrical to the other side. Because well, you can't really see it in the first place because it's all matte black and my car is very dark blue, so you can't really see it in the first place. So maybe down the future, if I'm able to get it off at some point, I will, and then I'll get, you know, I'll order another sticker. And just like that, guys, we have the white Dodie sticker on the blue side. Dodie on that side. And then on the white side, we have the other Dodie. So I'm sorry it got so late. It gets so dark so quick. But we got the stickers on. We were able to talk for a little bit. Once again, Dodie, thank you very much for the other sticker. I appreciate it. More car videos coming in the soon future. I'm going to end today's video. I hope you all have a great rest of your day, a great Saturday, great Sunday, great rest of your life. Let's get this bread, and I'll talk to you guys later. Please make sure to drop a thumbs up and subscribe. Peace. Hey, pray to God.